Hi, my name is Maddie. I'm a marketing specialist here at Earthway Products, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble our 90950. It's actually a fairly easy process. If I can do it, I'm sure y'all can do it. But all you're going to do is take your handle, set it up, and then you're going to take your screws here. You want to tighten those up and do the same over here. So then there's a zip tie right here for this spread control pin that we have. You want to take that off. So then this flat part right here is going to go into our control lever, and then you're going to want to connect it here in this bottom, in the bottom of the impeller. And then you're going to want to take your infinity pin that you get with the rod, and you're just going to want to slide it in there, so then that way it stays. So like that, you're just gonna put your pin on, and then that is the assembly for the 90950. And if you have any further questions, don't be afraid to contact our support at earthway.com. Thanks.